Hello, it's Mitten, and right now in New Zealand it is feijoa season, and so I'm going to be doing my Nana's feijoa loaf recipe. So let's go get some feijoas from the tree. This is our feijoa tree. Fun family fact, just after I was born, my mom and dad planted this tree, and look how big it is now. It's twice the size of me. Also, quick tip is to do a gentle shake of the tree, not pick the feijoa. That should be enough. Oh, it's heavy. First, just quickly set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And what you'll need is a cup of peeled and sliced feijoas, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 50 grams of butter, 1 cup of boiling water in a cat cup, 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 beaten egg. We will also do that soon. First, we are going to chop and scoop the feijoas and put them in here, and the skins over there. And also, we've got another secret little recipe for the skins, but that will be another episode. So let's start chopping and scooping. That looks like enough, so we're going to put these in this container and put them in the freezer for Dad's secret recipe. Feijoa jelly! Smells messy, pick up. Now we are going to put the feijoas, brown sugar, butter, and boiling water into the pot and bring it over to the stove. Ooh, that didn't sound nice. Now bring the ingredients to a boil and gently cook them for 5 minutes. You might want to get an adult to help you with this bit. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to turn it off. And we're going to let this cool while we do some other stuff. We are going to sift the dry ingredients into this bowl. Got my handy dandy sieve. This was hard. Yeah. Whoa, that's a lot. I tried to multitask.
What was it?
It was the ginger. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna put this aside and beat the egg. In fact, my mom actually gave this to me, so my other Nana gave this to me for Christmas. So we're going to use that because it's awesome. Oh. Voila! Now we've got to wait for the feijoas to cool even more, so we might be a while. Well, we have a boring time waiting. You get to have a fun time and watch my Easter egg hunt. We're still waiting for the feijoas to cool, but we found another thing to do. Line the loaf tin! Totally didn't get my parents' help at all. First try nailed it, boom. Now the feijoas have cooled, we are going to pour them into the dry ingredients and the egg as well, and then we're going to mix it up until it's just mixed. Oh, splashy, splashy. Okay, that's all done. Okay, into the loaf tin it goes. Okay, you just want to smooth the top out a little bit and then put it in the oven for 50 minutes. Now we're going to take it out of the oven, and I do have my mittens, but you can get a parent to help you get it out. Oh my god, whoa! A gust of hot air just blew into my face and blinded me. Oh. It's even hot with the mittens on, but not too hot. Okay, the feijoa loaf is out of the oven. We've been letting it cool for about 5 minutes because we want to eat it while it's still warm. So I'm going to take the paper off, then we're going to eat it. And since feijoa season is so short, my nana suggested you can make 1, 2, or 3 of these and put them in the freezer, and so it will last longer, but it is really best fresh out of the oven with butter on it. Oh, it's so hot to touch, but it's fine. There we go, that second one is better. Lucky enough, I have my friend over today, so everyone come and get some. Butter it. No, just leave it. And there you have it. Feijoa loaf. Yum!